Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. In the previous tutorial, we imported our personal vehicle sales data into Tableau and we used the data interpreter tool to help us out. And this is what the data looks like. So it looks great. It's clean. It's got all the information that we need. But the problem here is that, as we discussed, this kind of format is still more oriented at humans because it's got the years in separate columns, whereas in a raw machine format, the years would be in their own column, and then you would just have the values in another column. So ideally, this data set should be presented with 4 columns: region, country, year, and total sales for that year, rather than this unpivoted view. So what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to pivot it right here in Tableau. And as you can imagine, I'll just bring up the spreadsheet here, which we worked with before. As you can imagine, to achieve what we want to achieve by adjusting this data, it would take us quite some effort to move from this kind of format to a format where we just have a column for year and then a column for the value. But the beauty of Tableau is that it can do all of this for you. And it's very simple. Just observe how quickly this can be done. We're just going to select the columns that we want to pivot. We select all of these columns, and then you just select one of the drop downs and you click pivot. And there you go. It's all done. As easy as that. So now you've got region, country, pivot, or the year, and the value, or the total sales, total number of cars sold for that year. So as you can see, we can also just to make sure we can compare to what we see in our spreadsheet. So let's pick a random row from this new table, and we'll say, let's say somewhere Europe, Greece 2007, 279,000 cars. So now I'm just going to bring up the spreadsheet. As soon as I can find it, here it is. So Europe, Greece, 2007, 279,000 cars. Perfect. So that means it's working and as expected, and that is how you pivot data in Tableau. So we'll continue with our data preparation in the next tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.